Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have JBL Live Buds 3 and I'm going to tell you how to find your buds using your application. It's a little bit different than Google services because at first you have to enter your app and go into other section. Now you have to scroll until you see Find My Buds. Tap on it and now, as you can see, we can play our right one and the left one, but at first we have to take them out of the case lid, the case. Now we can continue. As you can see, they are a little bit loud. That's it, hope it helps you and goodbye.